Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to optimize sites for mobile on Bluehost. I just tab on Safari browser. So how to optimize WordPress websites. Optimize WordPress websites with some of these tips and ideas from the Bluehost guide for optimizing WordPress and reducing the CPU consumption of this PHP script to help speed up the website. So you will see the optimization is for bug fix. And before you start, do you have a current backup of your website? Make a backup of your account first before making any changes to your website, so you have current data to use. Should you need to restore your website, it's recommended that you upgrade it to the latest version of WordPress. The latest version have optimized code that could reduce your site's CPU consumption, so it will get speed. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.